Hey guys, it's Claudia, and welcome back to the channel. I have another Valentine beat for you to hit these streets. So sit back, relax, and let's get it on.
I'm going to start with NYC's New York Colors Cream Skin Perfector. It is a main action skin perfecting formula. It helps protect skin. It minimizes pores. It erases skin imperfections, minimizes fine lines, smooths skin, and brightens skin for a luminous, natural looking makeup. I am going to use it as an eye primer. Not a lot, just a little. For my eyes, I'm going to try out this new palette. It's a $5 palette from the store $5 and Beyond in Montgomery when I was there last summer. So I'm tickled to use it. This is what it looks like. Guys, I cannot believe I was filming with the digital lens too far out of focus. It was blurring my background, which is what I wanted, but I was blurred as well. And when I went into my Valentine chat, that was it. The Valentine chat came through, but the visuals were blurred. So perhaps that was me needing to edit my Valentine chat and just say, Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I'm wishing you a sensual, romantic, rosy, purple, green, whatever colors, peach, whatever you want to be showered in for Valentine's Day. I'm wishing you the best Valentine's Day ever. If you have someone to share it with, by all means, enjoy that person. Give that person your everything, your undivided attention, your presence, the gift of your presence, and hopefully your love will do the same for you. That's what Valentine's Day is all about, showing your romantic other how much they mean, how much he or she means to you. That should permeate the whole year. It should flow right on through each day, because life is precious and sacred, and you should hold those dear that you love close to you every moment. Realistically, that might not be realistic, but let them know that you love them. And don't let it be just Valentine's Day for you to share that. And for those of you who don't have a significant other to share Valentine's Day with, share Valentine's Day with yourself. Love yourself. Give yourself flowers and roses and chocolates. Give yourself precious time to be present, to enjoy something. When you go out alone, if you're going out, there's always someone there to enjoy whatever the event is. So be present. Be a gift in that moment. If you have others in your life, and you should have friends and family, share Valentine's Day with them. That's important. They may not have a Valentine. Be their Valentine. It all flows together. It all works. So just love yourself and love others. That's what Valentine's Day is all about. Even if I spend it at home watching Netflix or reading or just being silent or enjoying a great meal and some wine, I'm going to enjoy Claudia. I'm going to love Claudia. And I suggest you do the same. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Mwah, mwah. You'll be my Valentine right now, and I'll be yours right here in this frame. So if you haven't already, like this video, make a comment below. Tell me how you like the look. Tell me what you think about my Valentine's Day chat and tips. And come again. I would love to have you come again and again and again. Come again. Ooh, come again. That has so many levels of meaning. When you come, if you haven't already decided, click that notification bell. After you smash that subscription, after you smash the subscribe button, because I would love to have you come again and again. Again and again. You know you want to. I want you to, and you know I want you to. So the symbiotic relationship there already exists. You just need to really reel yourself on in and sit down and click the next video. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you, love you. Bye.